tes ya kayak ada yuk yuk ya ini ya mungkin gue bakal posting di itu tentang perjalanan 1.8 cuak. BTW kita udah sampai mana? Gue sebelum itu minta maaf karena
General Hua
ada
Yan,
beberapa
the Skyfaring Commission has
proyek
finished its
aktif gitu yang gua
preparations.
lakukan, cuma ya
Do you have any other instructions?
Representing the
What is the situation at the
Hule made a quick escape, and the good news is the two named. We've lost Don't worry, Yukong.
I have no doubt about General. According to the plan, the ceremony will begin in 6 hours. The Sky Splitter will be activated, and all visitors will board the ship to watch the contest. But now, with Hule's whereabouts unknown,
Maret nih
everything
tanding,
is
kan?
filled with
Wah,
uncertainty.
March is right, Grandpa. I heard the escaped prisoner from the Shackling prison is
Pak,
beyond formidable.
apakah Blade akan hadir?
In case anything goes wrong.
Berat, Bung. Saya di sini berharap berat.
So, Yun Li, what do you think we should do?
Oh iya, kakek tapai.
Well, I believe we should declare martial law and allocate manpower to search for the escaped prisoners. And as for the war dance, it's better to announce an indefinite delay for now.
Kan kecil ya aja sih, biar aku kedengaran. Soalnya aku nggak mau keras-keras.
Your plan sounds solid, but unfortunately, solid plans rarely get a chance to be
kecil ini.
implemented. I believe there are at least two parties who won't accept your approach.
Dua pihak yang mana?
The first are the many travelers who have come all the way here for the war dance.
Kesini.
If we declare martial law now, it's like declaring that the Law Fu isn't safe. How do you think the outsiders would react?
Dia reaksi para. Oh iya.
They'd
Masuk
be
akal, masuk akal.
terrified,
Gua-
and chaos
gua juga
might
sebagai
ensue.
Pemimpin pasti bakal kayak gitu sih.
The second party is the staff of the Xianzhou Law
Pihak
Fu's
kedua
6
adalah
commissions.
staf dari Six
They've invested a lot of resources and manpower into organizing the war dance. Suddenly suspending it indefinitely would create numerous challenges for them.
Ya betul. Kerja juga bakal kayak gitu sih.
But of course, not everyone disagrees with your
Tapi
idea.
saja tidak semua orang yang akan
Really?
benarkah?
The mastermind behind this incident would fully support your opinion, presumably. Hule's escape and your discovery of Borisin's spies at Stargazer Navalia. Even a child could guess that these events were orchestrated.
Penjara itu.
The fugitive is just one piece in the game. The one controlling the pieces wants to spread chaos and suspicion among the people on the Law Fu. If we declare martial law and postpone the war dance, we'll fall into their trap and instill fear in people even before Hule actually does anything.
So what do we do?
We'll search for the prisoners while maintaining order on the Law Fu, acting as if nothing has happened.
As if nothing has happened. Yan Xing said he'd assist the generals.
Bantu
And now
para
he's
dia.
nowhere to be found.
Ya, gitulah.
With the host ringmaster gone, how are we supposed to act like nothing has happened?
That's why I called the two of you here.
General Huayan,
You caught on quickly, Miss March. That's exactly what I mean.
Wih, padahal saya.
but Miss March is a guest invited by General Jing Yuan, Grandpa. How can an outsider represent the Lawfu in the ring.
Oh, ya, sorry, tadi aku
It will
ngomong.
make the Xianzhou Lawfu a laughingstock.
Dear child, the nameless of the Astral Express are renowned throughout the cosmos. It's an honor to have them participate in the ceremony. Plus, Miss March is a disciple of the little Cloud Knight Lieutenant. How can she be regarded as an outsider? You can't afford to have any problems during the war dance. I'm entrusting you not only with the honor of the ring, but also with the security of the Sky Splitter.
Sky Splitter.
Yukong, please explain to them the rest of the arrangements.
Katin? Oh, never mind. Ling Xian. 6 jam sebelum dia di Indonesia. Oh,
I am sorry for our improper management, and I truly appreciate your assistance, General.
There is no need to apologize. We Cloud Knights fight on the battlefield while you judges punish the criminals. We are two sides of the same Xianzhou Luofu, and it is my honor to serve the Ten Lords' commission. I've grasped the situation of the prison break. Now tell me more about the current state of the Shackling prison.
Borison infiltrated the prison in disguise and released the prisoners, spreading chaos.
membebaskan para tahanan lalu menyebarkan kekacauan. Apa ketahanan, Lip? Mungkin nggak bakal ditahan. Lip mungkin nggak bakal ditahan. Begitu pun dengan kerja.
Among the judges on duty in the... I'm taking over her duties and commanding Arumaton spectral envoys and spiritfarers to quickly restore order in the affected areas.
I and the two behind me will go deeper into the prison to investigate.
Yuk. Back again.
But, General, the situation inside is still chaotic and perilous. Your presence would be...
It's common for Cloud Knight generals to face danger directly. Hule has escaped, and the Yaoqing envoy is being held hostage by the Borison. His fate is unknown. This is a grave matter. Not only did the Merlin's Claw offer no reproach, she decided to go after Hule herself to prevent further calamity. I believe the Law Fu owes her something in return. How did the infiltrators learn about the location where Hule was held? And how did they time their plan just before the Yaoqing messengers were ready to escort him? Finding the answer to these questions shouldn't be too difficult. What truly matters is if we can gather the clues.
I understand, but I'm afraid it won't be an easy task.
For a long time, this hidden force has been pursuing their own goals and undermining the security of the Law Fu. Backing down now will only...
The Ten Lords Commission will support your decision with...
Dan Heng and Ling Sha.
Well, it's part of my responsibilities as the Cauldron Master. So, where would you like to start, General?
Let's start with those Borison disguised as Foxians.
Foxia.
My people have already prepared the evidence.
Orang-orang sudah menyiapkan buktinya. Oke. Wow. Aduh. Oke. Lebih bagus kalau
According to Lieutenant Yenqing's report, he stumbled upon a few
Looking at him.
My alchemists, simply put, Foxians and Borison share a common ancestry.
Lieutenant Yenqing. Waduh.
Although they look completely different now, there isn't much genetic difference between them. This medicine allows Borisin to temporarily change their shape into that of Foxians.
So, in other words, if they stop taking the medicine, their true form will soon be revealed?
Borosin punya metabolisme yang cepat, jadi obatnya tidak akan bertahan lama.
Indeed. This means that these Borisin have a steady supply of the medicine. The disciples of Sanctus Medicus. Looks like the Alchemy Commission is involved once again.
Lagi nyalakan kipas dingin.
When I was sorting through the prescriptions they use, I came across one called Semblance Reversion Essence. It's designed to help those disciples suppress signs of their Mara-struck forms and maintain their normal appearance. When I compared it to the medicine found in the Borisin's body,
Kan karena dia waifu, kan dia waifu juga sih. Tapi karena dia juga main Black Effect ya udah. Oke, sekalian gantikan Gallagher.
They're one and the
Tahu sih,
same.
Lingsha bisa
Aren't
gantikan
they?
Gallagher atau enggak, cuma dari kitnya gue ngeliat sih bisa.
the medicinal properties and
Dan
ingredients may
elemennya juga
differ,
fire.
but the principle
Bagus.
remains the same.
Since ancient
Baca, gue
times,
suka banget
the
desain
Borisin
Lingsha
have
ini.
always
Desain
sought to
Lingsha
have
tuh
more
simple,
powerful
cuma
bodies.
elegan.
Regarding the
Sama lah kayak
Foxians
facial,
as
simple tapi elegan
weaklings.
gitu. Kelihatannya kayak
Yet, in order to save the
perintilannya tuh
warhead,
terlalu banyak atau
they were
anunya
willing to
terlalu
disguise themselves as Foxians.
banyak. Oh ya kan nih gue udah nonton short video anime
Their
tuh.
determination is quite remarkable.
Short video facial yang dengan perbedaan jiwa dengan facial itu gue nonton, aduh menurut saya sih
If these infiltrators rely on the medicine to
Noyo pas
maintain their
bisa nih buat
disguise,
anime. Oi, kalau dia
then
mau
following
aja.
this lead in our investigation seems prudent. Please follow me.
Please follow. Mana Twitch? Atau gue pakai break effect di sini?
Here we are.
Cuma break effect.
According to the judge, this area is not yet-
Si anu gue juga belum ke level up full. Cara kayak masih sedikit. Ya, tim full.
Don't be nervous. Just cooperate with me
Mungkin
like
di
you did
sini
before.
buffernya itu Robin. Kalau gak Ruan Mei sih. Coba kalau gue gak ada Ruan Mei itu dia. Banyak orang nyuruhnya Asta pasti. Ya,
Don't worry.
Dan
I'll
ya,
always
Under
be
control.
gini lah. tim
So we
gue.
should proceed cautiously.
Mungkin paling kayak gila lawak bang, itu gak bisa, Robin gak kuat nanti.
I've captured
Ya
the
emang,
nature of the medicine in my
ya
senses.
kalian berharap sama gue yang F2 itu aman.
By following the medicinal fumes, we should be able to
Berharap kepada
retrace the
player
steps of the
F2.
disguised Borisin.
Gue Ruan Mei tadi tuh hampir dapat cuma
Such
karena
brute
dapat
strength is
bayi
not something an
ya udah.
ordinary Borisin possesses.
If I may be so bold to ask, is this Borisin truly that formidable?
I have lived a bit longer and engaged in a few more battles than you, Miss Ling Shang. To the Alliance,
Paling tangguh dan
Borisin
Hule
have
ada
always been
monster
the
yang
most formidable
takut
adversaries.
dimakan antara kaum.
And Hule is a monster feat with his strength.
Oh ya,
Hule
gua nggak
united
langsung kenapa
numerous
gua pengen
Borisin
ngerekam. Gua
packs,
berharap sampai ketemu
forming a grand army of
cutscene,
abominations of
cutscene.
abundance. Over 7 centuries ago,
Jadi mungkin
I followed my men even with medicinal pellets that suppressed the fear caused by his lupotoxin. Countless Cloud Knights succumbed to panic in the face of his. By the end of the battle, only a few of us remained.
gua
Haste.
Yalah,
Why wasn't the
tepos
beast
malah
executed
pencet.
instead of
Malah
being
kepencet, ya udah.
imprisoned?
Lanjut. Gue bakal diam dan karena gue malas banyak ngedit lama-lama. Atau enggak gue udah usah kasih anu lah subtitle gitu. Jadi kayak gue udah bersubtitle terus cuma sampai ribet. Gue nggak pakai pas gue ngomong itu kayak. Gak usah pakai subtitle ya. Nanti juga kalian ngerti kok gue pakai bahasa apa. Bukannya gue pakai bahasa Arab kan.
On Xianzhou Jumi, the judges cast those unforgivable and nearly immortal abominations of abundance into the eternal flames of the stars. reducing them to ashes. Their so-called immortality is just a facade. But I guess I understand. The people of the Lafu are known for their kindness. Even when faced with a malignant tumor within the Alchemy Commission.
Nah, paling harus banyak
Understand if you
player
hold grudges against
itu
me,
pasti suka
Mr.
baca
Shaw.
subtitle kayak di.
I take the
Ya,
blame
gua
for the
nah,
resurgence of the disciples
gua
of
salah
Sanctus
satu player
Medicus.
yang nggak ngebaca subtitle.
As for why Hule was only in prison,
Nah,
I can shed some light on that too.
I'm just a healer. I'm not familiar with the past.
aku cuma
I'd
seorang
appreciate it
dokter
if you
dan
could
aku tidak
enlighten me,
familiar
General.
dengan masalah. Aku akan sangat menghargai kalau kamu bisa memberikan pencerahan jenderal, wis.
All right.
Jenderal kita gitu,
Let me
King,
tell you
the,
more
the
about it
only
as
one,
we go.
King Lofu. Salam dari Lofu. Siapa lagi kalau bukan King Yuan? Lupa cok Jing Liu ini, Jing Yuan ini, ya di story, wah itu paling the best sih. Paling kita akan bertaruh. Wih, telat nih. Kalian gitu. Kitnya Lingsha. Karena juga aku pengen ngeliat sih kitnya Lingsha.
Catch up.
Oh dia ada stun. Oh, dia kan ada stun.
Harmony and unison. Immerse yourself in it.
Oh iya kan.
Be
Oh
of your
emang.
body.
Did the rhythm get messed up?
Oh dia berarti kalau misalnya oh ngerti. Jadi cuma
Time to cleanse the field.
dan pas itu kita nggak nyari. Ah. Oke, gampang ya. Kalau Gallagher kan hitnya cuma satu orang tuh.
Take your positions.
Kalian nge-review damage FF gua yang no one Mei.
This is more than a battle.
Set. Wah, baru dari Budi.
You're a stubborn one.
Oh.
Allow me to purge the root of the be of your body.
Jadi dari setiap dari juga maka dia bakal nge-heal darah musuhnya juga. Oke. Menang pencit. Ternyata kita
Every
Lingsha
victory
cukup
is
bagus
hard
ini.
won.
Jadi gua saran kalau kalian belum pengen main Break Effect tapi tidak pengen ngambil Gallagher, Lingsha.
Did this Cloud Knight also take the
Kalau
med?
dia nge-hit terus berarti dia butuh speed sama healing. Oke.
No.
Karena
All
gua
these
bukan
Borisin are dressed in a
tutorial.
fit.
Pasti lu kan bakal main. Trik cara bla 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 ini tuh gimana? Kalau menurut gua buat kalian yang sering nanya tips and trick itu kalian bisa kalau cara tips and trick ya mati aja gamenya gitu. Wah juga palingan itu masih kalian tuh masih harus belajar dari mekanisme juga. Perjalanan. Hello.
Someone bit open his arteries and drained almost all of his blood while he was still alive. Such a cruel and ruthless end.
Despite being a long-lived, it's hard to imagine how he managed to suppress it.
Such is the terrible nature of the abominations of abundance. We subjected him to the forest of swords to drain his life force. But in the end, his punishment turned into a test of our patience. Just like you said, Miss Lingshaw. Casting a creature that can't be killed into a star would be a way to permanently get rid of it. But unfortunately,
The Foxians didn't agree to that.
Saya tidak setuju dengan cara itu. Emang tingginya beda ya si
Exactly.
Jinyo sama Ling Shen.
The atrocities committed by Hule went beyond
Ini kayak
mere
ngeliatnya kayak Raiden
massacres.
dan Ayato, Cok.
Throughout numerous wars, the
Tahu-tahu.
Foxians curse his name. I wonder
ada
if you know
meme-nya dia
why
tuh.
Hule wasn't
Kayak
taken
pas
into
Ayato
custody
minum
by the
obat, terus
Foxian
Raiden
majority
juga
Xianzhou
ngeliatin
Yaoqing,
gitu kayak, aku mau.
but instead,
As you mentioned, your mentor was an exceptional warrior and was.
it seems you have.
Mana tuh? Mana itu? Poin mesinnya di mana? Oh di atas deh. Bukan toh. Di atas, di bawah sih. Oh di bawah. Ntar ya guys ya. Sambil mengeksplor dulu. Tidak salahnya loh. Nah itu dia. Pleng. Anjir. Oh itu lah mesin kayak salah. Mesin kan kayaknya udah banyak. Oh iya. Set. Nice. Banyak gue. Puzzle gini aduh selalu easy kayaknya. Tapi ya BTW pasti kalian juga dan lanjut terlalu banyak. Bentar. Kemana sih puzzle-nya ini? Rasa paling jago. Ya salah saya udah main. Cuma apa boleh buat? Saya hanya mencoba. Nih. Dan file juga. Tidak bisa banget. Aman Yunli. Padahal Yunli pun belum gua apa-apain udah besar karena Yunli udah jadi top DPS. Wah, kebetulan dong kita lawan robot. Dari mereka betul serigala nyanjur.
Yanqing told me that an IPC ship was attacked by Borison. Is this what they were?
Yes. The Artisanship Commission and Alchemy Commission conducted I heard the Intelligentsia Guild has been researching the biological properties of long-life species, hoping to make medical or combat-related discoveries. However, they haven't dared cross any lines due to their so-called relationship with the
Pintar
Alliance.
bahasa Inggris itu dari mana? Apakah dari main game atau udah sekolah emang? Atau belajar di sekolah? Coba kata-kata paling umum tuh pasti ngedengarnya tuh main game. Paling umum dah.
Perhaps to those scholars, Borison are no different from lab animals.
No. If it were only about revenge, they could just wreck the ship and destroy all the cargo, instead of allowing it to end up in the shackling prison. It was a deliberate display to showcase the dangerous nature of the cargo in broad daylight. This way, the cargo would end up in the shackling prison, serving as a tool for the prison break.
This skill in exploiting the blind spots of others' mindsets is so atypical of them. I'm afraid the IPC and the Intelligentsia Guild unknowingly became their accomplices.
Watch out!
Masih hidup. Ngeri juga. Wah, ini mantap. Oke, ini dia monster.
Even after suffering
Tahu
such
monster
severe
tiga.
attacks?
Tegal serigala tahu.
Resonate all together. Time to cleanse the children.
Darah kita teh heal
Their imitation of long life species has crossed the line. Right. Stars echo.
Oh iya, aku udah dengar suara lincah pas gak.
Clear as a
Ntar gue dengar dulu suara lincah pas.
Everything in this world is nearly fleeting. How about we dissipate that foul stench?
Stay in step. Let's improvise.
It can still move. It means it wasn't damaged enough.
May the foul stench dissipate of your body and mind.
Take your positions. Dreams do come true.
Iya,
Sure,
gue
it never
tunggu.
moves again.
Wah,
Mood is set. Let the show begin.
mari kita super break. Gitu. Diam di hadapan apa itu namanya?
Listen to the final song of Firefly take full set to the
Empat. 55 ya, ngeri juga itu. Enggak.
You haven't answered my question about why Hulei was imprisoned in the Lafu instead of the Yaoqing General. You've been reserved.
The reason why the Marshal didn't leave Hulei on the Yaoqing lies in the very mech.
Are you suggesting that there are people trying to understand Hulei's secrets and use them for their own purposes? Just like with this mech? Well, I understand. I've heard that the Foxians on the Yaoqing share a bloodline with the Borisin. And just like the Borisin, some of the Foxians there experience an uncontrollable insanity called Moon Rage.
Keren bloodless, Cok. Oh, itu anunya si Hulei ya, Hulei.
The Marshal believed that this would be inhumane and no different from what the Borisin did, so...
Nggak ada cutscene ini.
Exactly.
Udah 27 menit loh gua.
While
ngerekam ini, nggak ada-
Borisin
belum
see
ada
Moon
cutscene,
Rage
cutscene.
as a blessing that unlocks their true potential,
Belum ada cutscene.
Foxians see it as an inevitable curse. Why can Borisin control the power of Moon Rage? Can we Foxians break free from this curse?
Bebas dari
These
kutukan
questions were asked frequently.
ini. Mas Jing Yuan kalau
Each questioner had good intentions,
apa ya? Wah, Jing Yuan juga
but the
gua
road
suka.
to catastrophe
Pengennya gue
is paved with good
Apakah
intentions.
bagus buat ngepol Jing Yuan?
To the Foxians of the Yaoqing, Hulei was not
Mungkin
only
yang
the
gua
warhead
tampilkan
of the
di
Borisin,
TikTok itu mungkin
but also a
cutscene-cutscene aja ya.
monster
Kalau
that could be the subject of much research.
anu-anunya tuh kayak
Hulei
misalnya
thus became a poison
istilahnya kayak, ya,
that
ngebahas
corrupted
kayak nggak
people's
soal.
minds with
That's
Kepanjangan.
why the Marshal decided to imprison
Panjangan, Rap.
Hulei and the Lafu.
Mending cerita
It wasn't
sendiri.
an honor, but rather a warning.
Kalau ceritanya aja kan, kalau bukan ceritanya aja kan enak gitu lihatnya.
because such selfish pursuits
Karena
in the
kayak
name
Jason
of good
tuh akan
intentions
mengejar suatu atas nama niat baik.
once led to
Pernah
a
berujung
tragedy
pada
on
tragedi
the Laofu
di Laofu
that
dan
served as a warning to future generations.
Asik, King Yuan sedang memasak. Kata King Yuan sedang membuat kata-kata.
This edition of Imbibe
Wih,
Lune.
pemberontakan Imbulator Line. Wih, ini orangnya nih, depan ini yang ngomong nih.
By imprisoning Hulei and the Xianzhou Lafu,
Baca.
the Marshal both suppressed the dangerous intentions of the Yaoqing Foxians and warned the Xianzhou Lafu to refrain from repeating its mistake.
That was a necessary trade-off. The Xianzhou alliance is not solely about the Xianzhou natives. Only when all three races, Foxian, Mediadora, and Xianzhou natives, form an alliance, will there be a promising future.
Thank you for enlightening me.
Lalu apa?
Was it for the same reason that you traded off my mentor to the Xianzhou Zhuming, only to stand idle and allow the resurgence of the disciples of Sanctus Medicus?
Xianzhou Zhuming. Xianzhou punya punya berbagai cabang. Xianzhou.
You said that I couldn't bear to cut out the malignant tumor within the Alchemy Commission. But instead eggs, but did your mentor tell you her good intentions led her to perform certain healing arts on Don Hung, who had just finished his hatching rebirth?
What did you just say?
She believed that restoring the High Elder's knowledge of his path, but just as I mentioned earlier, the road to catastrophe.
If that's the case,
Quite the contrary.
thanking me.
All I ever want is to have a clear conscience. However, and now, with the complicated situation in the Alchemy Commission, the Alliance has spared me a lot of trouble by sending you to handle this challenging task. Shouldn't I be thanking you instead?
Your eloquence is indeed impressive, the divine foresight. You won't do but. Let me make it clear. The Alliance sent me here to handle the business impartially,
Ini dengan bersikap
not
tidak
to
memihak,
choose
bukan
sides.
untuk memihak. Anjay. Hah? Maksudnya? Masa itu dengan bersikap tidak memihak, bukan untuk.
It doesn't matter which, at the end of the day, both you and I stand on the side of the Alliance, don't we? Let's keep going.
Kan guys, keren. Ada di wah. Ini kita ke atas. Sing oh sing ngising ceng asing sing ya dan ini dia tempat bule mana sosok bule kita kabur. Yep. Marah.
These Mara-struck soldiers don't appear to be escaped prisoners.
How can you tell?
These soldiers are fully armed. Obviously, they didn't hastily join the battle.
The messenger named Morza did say that there were two groups of attackers. And the other attackers, aside from the Borison, could hide their tracks.
Hide their tracks?
Exactly. I've engaged with these attackers before, and they used Cloud Hymn magic to hide their presence. Without careful observation, no one can detect them.
You once warned me to be cautious of the Vidyadhara Elder's influence within the Alchemy Commission. Could it be?
What's on your mind, Miss Linshaw?
Well, it seems that someone provided the attackers with a map of the shackling prison. And considering the Vidyadhara's involvement, additionally, the fact that the Borison need medicine to disguise themselves would suggest that there are still moles within the Alchemy Commission assisting them covertly.
Alchemy Commission. Wow. Xianzhou. Bulan-bulan ini sering.
Forging official identities for the undercover Borison would require some, and the presence of assassins capable of using Cloud Hymn magic deepens my suspicion about the Preceptors. But why would the Vidyadhara collude with the Borison and aid in Hulei's escape?
They aim to spread chaos.
Tujuan mereka adalah menyebarkan
They believe that only in chaos can they regain their former power and influence.
kekuasaan dan pengaruh mereka. Kalau bahasa Inggris kayaknya they accomplishment is to spread a mass
Since this edition of Imbibe de Lune,
After
the once proud dragon race has been powerless, watching their influence wane. Being a native of the Luofu, Miss Ling Sha, I believe you understand the implications.
However, I don't think the preceptors are the true masterminds. If I'm not mistaken, the one behind all this treachery is the Lord Ravager who exploited the weaknesses within the Luofu and instigated the disciples of Sanctus Medicus, ultimately leading to the Ambrosial Arbor's resurrection.
Please remember, General, that everything I've mentioned is mere speculation. We need concrete evidence for a public trial. If you want to interrogate someone within the Videodera's ranks, you'll need irrefutable proof.
So, what's your plan, Miss Ling Sha?
I'll send an invitation to the preceptors.
An invitation?
The preceptors have been inviting me for a personal meeting since my arrival on the Luofu. Now, I'll send them the remains of these Mara-struck soldiers and the route map I found in the prisoner's possession. Then, I'll ask them to meet me at Scale Gorge Waterscape. I'd like to hear their explanations.
Good idea. If I were to take action, it might alert the true mastermind. And don't worry if things don't go smoothly. Once the wolf hunt operation is over,
Speaking of the wolf hunt operation, I'm truly worried about the Yaoqing messenger who was taken hostage. Hule was starving in the shackling prison for centuries. I don't know if the messenger can survive in that wolf's clutches. May Rainbow's blessing keep him safe.
Oke, apakah kita berbalik ke Kailus? Apa tuh? Waduh, bukan ke Kai. Gua terhantam. Ternyata bukan ke anu, cuy. Ternyata ke Jauh Q. QQ. Cukuruk. Cukru. Cukru.
As I said, I'm a healer. But my art of healing requires the culinary arts to be truly effective. The magic of my cauldron is its ability to make all kinds of medicines into dishes that patients can eat. When simmered and cooked together,
Delicacy. But isn't that just one flavor overpowering the others?
well, you have a point. Let me ask you this. If there's a fussy child who refuses to eat green peppers, what's the best way to make him...
Stuff the kid's mouth with the green peppers and cook him alive in a pot.
You have quite the sense of humor. I've heard that you, Borisin, have lost many of your taste buds during the self-modification process, so you can't experience complex flavors. Only the saltiness of blood.
It's a shame I don't have any green peppers right now. Otherwise, I'd happily stuff them into your mouth and cook you alive in a pot.
I'm just kidding. The answer is quite simple. Chop up the peppers and mix them with minced meat to make meatballs. This way, the flavor of the meat overpowers the taste of the peppers. And even a fussy child can enjoy them.
Can I just boil your tongue in this hot pot? I know you're trying to buy time until someone comes to your rescue. You said that Jin Liu recently returned to the Luofu, right? Well, she did come back. But unfortunately, I also found out that she can... Do you really think you can delay our departure by provoking Lord Hu? You see Borisin as savages who know nothing about the Xianzhou. But in fact, we know all about your tracking tricks. Like the... The more hope you hold in your heart, the greater your pain will be when death comes. I wonder if you can maintain your composure when I tear.
His composure is only a temporary effect of the medicine.
Lord Hule.
What? Oh,
You pathetic foxlings. For thousands of years, we were the ones who allowed you to live and who granted you civilization. But in the end,
ya.
you
Mungkin
chose to betray us
untuk
for the
anunya mungkin
freedom
budaya
promised by
kayak
the
gitu ya. Ya,
Xianzhou
karena
people.
gua juga waktu gua udah keburu banget. Ya sebentar lagi dan gua perlu beres-beres rumah dan ya. Mungkin sampai sini aja videonya dan stop. Kaizen di sini dan Kaizen out. Bye bye.